This is Dr. Prahlad Patki conveying greetings on the occasion of World's Milk Day, which is celebrated on 1st June every year. This day is celebrated throughout the world to spread the importance of milk to every one of us. This occasion reminds us that we are lucky and blessed with goodness of milk. It's a drink for every age and offers something beneficial for everyone. Milk is considered a complete protein food, meaning it contains all the 9 essential amino acids. Saying yes to milk is like saying yes to nutrition. Casein, the milk protein, a handcrafted protein, makes up the majority of protein found in cow's milk. In addition, milk also has got other nutritional ingredients to call it a complete food. I'm extremely happy to find you all in the best of your health, fighting the Chinese virus, especially in the second wave. During the lockdown period, you have spent a quality time with your family members. Your beautiful or smart partner has trained you to be a cook. Yes, your family members have praised your food, your cooking skills. Please believe me in that. All of you are now masters of housekeeping, that is, work from home and work for home. And every couple are now calling each other as made for each other, that is spelt as MAID and not MADE. In this second wave, the cases unfortunately are galloping. Now is the crucial period, friends. So please do continue to take good care of yourself and your family, especially the children. Homestay is to be continuously practiced sincerely. There is nothing like sweet home. Apart from mask and social distancing, now is the period of increasing our fight in the form of highest protection against infection. Our fight is twofold: external protection and internal immunity. You all know that this bloody Chinese virus is a particle which can take an entry in our body mainly through nasal route. Nowadays, airborne infection is also accepted by World Health Organization as a most common path of infection, that too during the so-called community spread. Crucial one is nose entry, airborne infection, and that too during community spread. How to ensure our protection now? This external problem is solved by you already by wearing mask, single or double, and by social distancing. If you are going out, double masking will be far better. Hence, mask is the most important external weapon, that is Baharuni Shakti. This problem also can be additionally supported by nasal cleansing with the help of steam inhalation twice a day. But mandatory thing is mask. This will act as our super vaccine 24 hours. Our internal security or Andaruni Shakti, let us look at it now. Some of us will have infection whereas others don't have. This is because of our built-in strength called as immunity. You are now experts in immunity. The immune system, as you know, is a simple defense network that protects our body against potentially harmful agents. For internal immunity, what we call it as Andaruni Shakti, among many things, milk proteins are highly recommended by researchers. Primary function of any protein is to supply amino acids. Among the protein, casein is the most studied and hence has more scientific evidence. Starting from birth, maa ka doodh, mother's milk has proven nutrient-rich protein component called as alpha-lactalbumin, the main source to fight diseases in the newborn. Mothers are strongly encouraged to breastfeed their infants because it provides unsurpassed immunity to infants against a number of diseases. Hence, the slogan, breast milk is the best milk. Now, this gift starts from mother's milk. Then why not to continue this gift in the later age? During the process of absorption, milk proteins give rise to bioactive peptides. As the name itself indicates, they are very active in our body and have biological properties. One of the important biological property of milk protein, casein, is to protect us from infection. Casein is a slow releasing protein with all essential amino acids. It's a functional food. In our intestine, its slow release of amino acid capacity makes it unique. Research has identified a hexapeptide of casein which is responsible for immunity enhancing property. How it is going to enhance now? These components stimulate our white blood cells which are going to evolve phagocytes, that is cells which can drink antigens like virus and bacteria. Casein is a standard protein with which other proteins are compared. Its biological value as a protein is unique, easily available when we require it. Recently, a research in India has indicated that practicing doctors in our country also believe casein in general and amino acid in that is arginine in particular have pronounced immunity enhancing property. They recommend you to make full use of casein protection either in the form of milk or casein products. Improve your Andaruni Shakti. People who are obese or overweight can have a problem stating that if we consume milk, whether our food weight is going to increase. No, because milk has satiety effect. That is, it is going to satisfy your food consumption and your appetite. Hence, the food intake can come down. In addition, casein is now known to provide anti-clotting effect in arteries. That is, it helps to keep us calm. It helps us to sleep well, and by enhancing endorphin, the person becomes calm and quiet and he can sleep well. That's why, friends, even Bhagavad Gita tells us, Dugdam Gita Amrutam. Bible calls it as a simple which is filled up with nutrients, both physical and spiritual factors. Casein is a crucial bodybuilding protein from milk and has got intrinsic strength. Proteins are evaluated about their effectiveness by some parameters. One such parameter is protein efficiency ratio. This ratio tells us about growth effectiveness of protein. Casein is a standard protein with which other proteins are compared. Its biological value as a protein too is very good, which is discussed in the form of a factor called PDCAS, that is protein digestibility corrected amino acid score. PDCAS is a method of evaluating the quality of protein based on both the amino acid requirement of humans and their ability to digest it. Casein scores in all these parameters. During its absorption, as I told you, this casein forms a clot in the clot-like material in our gut. From this, amino acids are released slowly, giving rise to slow and sustained absorption of amino acids over a period of 7 to 8 hours. Research has indicated that casein has potency fighting against respiratory bacteria also. Casein can improve our immunity by increasing the fight against bacteria and virus by improving a phenomena called as phagocytosis. This phagocytosis is a phenomena wherein which when virus and bacteria enter our body, the first defense is by blood cells called as white blood cells. They are also called leukocytes. One such type of WBC is macrophage. It is so called because of its larger size. These macrophages, when they come nearer virus or big bacteria, they engulf them and drink this virus and bacteria. This is also called cell drinking and medically called phagocytosis. Casein improves phagocytosis function of WBC cells. In addition, casein also helps in releasing our body soldiers called T cells and B cells. How casein can improve our immunity? Research in recent days has tried to explain how casein can improve immunity. Casein, being a protein, is made up of an amino acid called as arginine, apart from other amino acids. This amino acid arginine improves our defense mechanism by helping to release antibodies against microorganisms. In response to antigen, that is virus or bacteria, our body will release opposing weapons called as antibodies. So arginine increases formation of antibodies. Recently I heard one interesting sentence. सारी जिंदगी गुजार दी बॉडी बनाने में, सारी जिंदगी गुजार दी बॉडी बनाने में, बट अब पता चला कि बॉडी नहीं एंटीबॉडी बनाना था. Arginine is known to improve the release of our body defense cells like T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes. Some clinical studies in patients suffering from infection too have shown that results indicating arginine capacity to improve our body immunity. That means casein in general and arginine, which is 8% of casein in particular, can improve our immunity. Casein, a friendly protein from milk, can help us to improve our immunity. We need to pass on this advantage to our children, especially during this epidemic or maybe in the next pandemic. One can go for milk available in plenty to take these health advantages. It is commonly heard from mothers that children and even some adults are fastidious or play some drama in accepting the milk. In such situation, one can go for a convenience of nutritional products which may contain casein. Friends, even our Rigveda states, Dugdam Bholokasya Amrutam Ithi Uchanti. That means cow's milk is an amrit in this bolok. It protects us from number of diseases. Sure, you will agree that cow's milk is one of the most essential superfoods in our body. This is especially for children because their body deserves more energy and more strength to fight diseases. British scientists recently have opined that dairy products is supporting a healthy immune system because of milk proteins. The available evidence suggests that dairy products, through their nutrient richness, can support a healthy immune system. These multiple nutrients found in milk and dairy products are important for optimal immune function, especially because of high quality protein casein in addition to arginine. Bovine immunoglobulins bind to bacterial and viral pathogens and can neutralize them. So provide milk protein to our children so that you can make them stronger to fight the virus. Casein in general and arginine, its amino acid in particular, have claimed to generate antibodies. These antibodies can bind to bacterial and viral pathogens, enhance their killing. They may neutralize pathogens, especially of common respiratory tract. Netherlands researchers have indicated that adequate nutrition is crucial in this pandemic. Some countries are recommending around 300 grams of milk a day and call it lifelong milk drinking. So, friends, we have a choice to take either wholesome milk or casein containing nutritional supplements. It all depends upon your convenience. They can be consumed, say, between breakfast and lunch and dinner. This will be meal in between meals. There are people who have disliking of drinking milk, so they can go for casein products. If your doctor says you have lactose intolerance, then you may have to be away from milk. Friends, enhance our children's immunity by Milky Way. Very simple one. Our children's immunity can be definitely improved by simple Milky Way. Friends, please take care of your health and health of your family members. Get yourself vaccinated as per regulatory recommendations whenever vaccines are available to you. I would like to thank you for your patient listening. Stay home and stay healthy. Thank you very much.